So if you want the One UI 8.5 apps without installing the One UI 8.5 beta update, so that is now possible. To do that, simply go into the Twitter app and from there you have to search for Turn Watts. From here, search for this tweet where he has provided the link for the One UI 8.5 app APKs. There are multiple apps available in this link which you can download, including the calculator, calendar, clock, reminder and the Samsung internet. Now first of all you will have to download these applications, and after downloading it simply go into the Chrome downloads and tap on it, then you can update it. But first of all you will have to turn off your auto blocker. You can do that by simply going into the settings and tap on security and privacy. From here turn off auto blocker. After turning it off, you can update your apps through the APK. Now simply tap on the APK that you have just downloaded and now you can update it. Now you can open it, and this is how the reminder app looks like with the One UI 8.5 update. It has this pill-like search option in the bottom, as you guys can see, which is quite similar to the iOS. This is how the One UI 8 reminder app looks like, and now this is how the One UI 8.5 reminder app looks like. Further, if we talk about the other apps, so this is how the calculator apps look like. It has this glow effect on pressing any button, any digit. Also, the overall UI of the calculator app is just improved. Moving on to the other apps, so we have some other apps like the internet and the clock application. Now if we talk about the clock application, so the clock app has changed a lot. As you guys can see, the UI of the clock app is now completely changed. It also has this pill-like information menu in the bottom. Let me know your thoughts on this pill-like menu options in the comment section below. If we talk about the Samsung internet app, so there's a change in the tabs menu. As you guys can see, it also has this pill-like menu available in the tabs. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the One UI 8.5 apps that you guys can update before the One UI 8.5 official release, and instead of installing the One UI 8.5 beta version. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.